Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on Roblox and showing you how to add friends on PC. Let's get started with the easiest steps to connect with your friends in the Roblox universe. First, you'll want to open Roblox on your PC. Whether you access it through your browser or the Roblox app, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now, from the home page, look for the Add Friends option. It's usually located on the left side panel. Click on that, and you're one step closer to expanding your Roblox social circle. Next up, it's time to find the character you want to add. In the search bar, type in the username of the friend you're trying to find. Precision is key, so make sure you spell it correctly. After entering the username, just press Enter on your keyboard. Now that you've found your friend's profile, all that's left to do is send them a friend request. Look for the Add Friends button on their profile page and give it a click. If they accept your request, you'll be connected and you can start playing games together. And there you have it. Adding friends on Roblox is quick and easy, especially with the new update. So, hop into Roblox, follow these simple steps, and start enjoying your gaming experience with friends today.